Welcome back to today's video. I can't explain how happy I am to be back on normal schedule. Every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday there's going to be a brand new video here on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. Today is a bathroom speed clean and I'm starting just by emptying out the whole room. I like the room to be completely empty before I start to clean. Now that everything's been moved out, I go over the shelf and the sink area with the Cif cream. I'm sure that you all know by now that I am completely in love with the smell of it. I use it all the time. And then I'm going to go over the windowsill with some anti-bac wipes. If you enjoy cleaning videos and love getting that extra motivation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become part of my YouTube family. I would love you to join us. I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday here on this channel, so be sure to press the little bell as well. That'll just notify you every time I post. You can also follow me over on Instagram. I'll leave the link and everything down in the description below. I'm now moving on to the shower, and I'm not gonna lie, this was pretty gross. It's been a while since I've really unblocked the plug hole, so that was a little bit grim. But after doing that, I just poured down some normal bleach just to make sure that it is all unblocked and to make it smell a lot fresher. So while that's there doing its job, I quickly wipe down the toilet with the flushable wipes, and then I continue with the shower afterwards.
Just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles will...
After everything's had a good scrub down, all that's left is to put everything back. I don't have any storage, so everything does go on the windowsill and the shelf, so it looks a little bit cluttered, but it is as good as it's gonna get. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments. It makes my day seeing that you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell next to it, and I will see you back here on Sunday.